The loudest sound in history. In the 18th century, planet Earth let out the loudest scream in its history. The sound damaged eardrums 100 miles away. A British ship captain wrote in his logbook, "Sailors grabbed their ears and collapsed on deck." The sound was so loud that in Australia, 2,200 miles away, people ran from their homes thinking war had begun. The shockwave circled Earth 7 times. Barometers from London to New York went crazy, like they'd lost their minds. The sound took 4 hours to reach the opposite side of the planet. People heard the explosion before learning about it from telegrams. On the decibel scale, the blast reached 180 decibels. That's the physical limit for sound in Earth's atmosphere. The tsunami from the explosion reached 130 feet high. Ships were found in jungles miles from shore. The explosion was heard across an area equal to 1/8 of Earth's surface. 4 hours later, the echo was still rumbling. And this wasn't just sound. This was the final song of an entire island that vanished from the planet forever. It came from the Krakatoa volcano in Indonesia.